Favorite Amazon car accessories for girls. This air freshener looks just like a mini record player, and it even comes with records. Just attach it to the air vent, and when you turn on the air, it starts spinning. Oh my god, this is the cutest air freshener for your car on Amazon. More things you always need in your car to keep it smelling fresh. This essential oil diffuser plugs into your car. This trash bin can attach to your seat back or center console. The safety escape tool to break a window and cut a seatbelt. Ooh, okay, if you eat in the car like I do. These sauce holders come in a set of 2. Car gadget you need. A favorite Amazon car accessories for girls who are a little sporty. Perfect. This carbon fiber key cover is such a cute car accessory. So small, so great. Exactly what you need. This cup holder tray for your car is something you always need in your car. You can adjust the height and swivel it from the driver's side to the passenger side. Another affordable Amazon favorite car accessory for your car. This tissue holder clips on your sun visor and is great to keep disposable masks or baby wipes. Definitely a must-have for my car. This dust cleaning gel putty is the easiest cleaning accessory for your car to get all the dust off of everything in a hurry, especially the hard to clean areas like your cup holders and your air vents. Ooh, how neat. It literally feels like putty. Just put it back in the case when you're finished and always keep it in your car. If you need to deep clean your car a little more, this awesome handheld car vacuum comes with a carrying case to always keep in your car and has a strong suction. It definitely is a favorite Amazon car accessory. This trash bin car accessory, like we saw earlier, is so popular, something you always need in your car to stay clean. Ooh. Amazon glitter accessories for your car, colorful valve stems, carbon fiber keychain, a girl favorite car accessory, the glitter fob holder, and the Glamorous tissue holder for sun visor. This is a car must-have accessory, a trash can and trash bag, and a cute little driving buddy. Ooh, miniature pink humidifier and diffuser fits in your cup holder, something you always need in your car to smell fresh. I love this so much. Keep your handbag secured and off the floor with these hooks for your headrest. Comes in a set of 2. And if you want your car with all that bling, glitter, and glam, these glitter car accessories for girls are an Amazon must-have. A Bling steering wheel cover and a Bling Honda decal. A cute hanging plant. LED ambient lights for your car's interior. How cool! Favorite car accessory ever. You can even change the colors and match it up to the music in the app. And of course, a girl's handbag needs a little glitter accessory in the car too. Look at these Bling car hooks for your headrest. Glitter car gadgets you need. That was fast. But here is some more jolly goodies to watch. And make sure you subscribe to my channel so you never miss a deal.